In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Salesforce Chatter email notifications in a step-by-step process. This is an essential task if you want to stay updated with all your Chatter activities directly through your email. By the end of this video, you'll be able to customize and manage your Chatter email notifications smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the familiar Salesforce homepage. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is your gateway to the setup menu. Go ahead and click on it. With the setup interface open, you'll want to look at the quick find box. This tool is incredibly handy for speeding up your navigation across Salesforce's many features. Type in the word chatter into the quick find search bar. As you type, you'll see a drop-down list appear with related options. Click on chatter and then choose email settings. Here you will find an option named Allow Emails. Make sure this box is checked so that users can receive personal Chatter email notifications. Don't forget to hit the Save button to save your changes before leaving this page. After enabling emails in the Chatter settings, we need to check on Salesforce's email deliverability settings. Again, use the quick find search, type deliverability, and click on it when it appears. Once here, look at the access level settings. Make sure it is set to all email. This ensures that there are no restrictions on your emails, allowing Chatter notifications to be delivered successfully. Now let's proceed to personalize your individual email notification preferences. Head back to the main screen and click on your profile avatar. This is usually a photo or an icon with your initials. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Chatter section and click on Email Notifications. Once you are in the Email Notifications menu, you can adjust how and when you receive emails. This feature offers you flexibility, allowing you to choose whether you want to be notified of new posts, direct mentions, or updates from specific groups. Tick the boxes that suit your preferences. Finally, after you've selected your desired settings, make sure to click Save. Salesforce will update your preferences, and from then on, you will start receiving email notifications according to your configuration. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Salesforce Chatter email notifications. We hope this walkthrough helps simplify the process for you. Remember, staying informed is key to effective communication and productivity within any platform, especially Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, feel free to leave a like or subscribe for more tutorials.